I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by taking 200 to 300 g of chopped chocolate and setting up a gentle double boiler. The how is precise heat control, and the why is shine and snap. Once done, keep the water at 70 to 80 degrees, steam will ruin it, and use a clean, dry bowl to avoid seizing. Start melting 2/3 of the chocolate slowly, stirring frequently. Make sure to reserve 1/3 for seeding. This gives you stable crystals and consistent texture. You now focus on seeding and stabilizing the mass. This is the core of fixing Dubai chocolate quickly. Heat 2/3 of the chocolate to the appropriate peak, 45 to 50 degrees for dark, 40 to 45 degrees for milk or white, then remove from heat. Add the reserved 1/3, chopped as seed, and stir. The why is to form uniform cocoa butter crystals. Once the temp drops to about 28 to 29 degrees for dark, you rewarm slightly to working temp. You finish by bringing the tempered chocolate to its working temperature, 31 to 32 degrees for dark, 29 to 30 degrees for milk, 28 to 29 degrees for white, then pour into molds and cool at 12 to 18 degrees until fully set. Make sure to tap out bubbles and keep a dry environment to preserve the snap. If chocolate seizes or looks grainy, add 1 teaspoon of neutral oil per 100 g and rewarm very gently while stirring. That quick fix often restores smoothness and gloss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.